Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to take notes on Notion. Now here you want to create or you can use a page here that already have. These are the pages that I have. You can create a new page right here. Let's name it notes, for example. And let's say you are in a lecture and you want to add your notes. So you can use the dictate option here, and you can use this option to automatically transform the speech to text, and you can edit the text later in Notion. Okay, as you can see here, let's stop it. And as you can see here, the note is automatically here written. And to write manually, just hit enter and just write the notes manually, or take whatever notes that you want. So this is a sample note. And you can also add other pages. So let's say I want to add a page specifically for college notes. So type in the dash icon here, or the dash, and add a page. Let's name it college. So this is a page within the notes page. And here you can add all your college notes. And if you go to the notes page here, you have the college page. If you click on it to open it, it'll open and you can view all your notes.